Hello guys, today I am making a very beautiful flower vase painting. For this we need the color. I will tell you guys first. I have sketched it with pencil. So the color we need is this are yellow, lemon yellow, raw umber, titanium white, flesh tint, raw sienna, yellow green, black, light green. So let's start the painting. First of all, we will take out the color we have selected on this palette. First, we will use black on one side of the wall and we will also do raw umber color on it. And now on the second side, mix brown color with mint green color and paint it on the wall. And we'll paint raw sienna color towards the upper wall. Mix all these colors well so that they overlap each other and the muscles do not look drawn. Now the other side wall, we will use burnt sienna color mixed with a little light green color. All these colors will mix well. Now we will add a little dark color on the wall where we have paint green. Then we will paint on the table. On the table we will use brown color with a little black color and a little flesh tint color. Now we will use a little black color on it as a line. In this way, it will highlight the table very well. Now we will paint on the vase. To paint on the vase, first we will use raw sienna color and a little burnt sienna color and flesh tint. It again we will use a raw umber color, and it in the middle we will use little white titanium white color. Now we will make the first green meat color between the flower in such a way that it will be easy for us to make the flower. Now let's start coloring the flowers. On the flowers we will use light pink color. On some flowers we will use these flowers colors and this one some flowers we will use rose color. In the center of flowers we will add a little light yellow color. Now let's make the leaves. To make the leaves we will use now let's make the leaves. To make the leaves we will use light yellow green color. On one side we will use light green color and leaf green color. On the other side we will use a little yellow color and some small birds in it. Now we'll make it. and also make a small white bird on the table. Beautiful vase painting is ready. If you guys like my video, please subscribe to my channel, share the video and like more.